Hello everyone. So in this question it says that 2.4 gram Mg, that is magnesium, it is dropped in 100 ml of 1 molar HCl, right? So it is dropped in 100 ml of 1 molar HCl. Okay, this is what question is saying. Now it is asking that which of the following statement is wrong. So we are given with the 4 statements. So first says 1.12 liter of hydrogen is produced at STP. Second says 0.01 mole of magnesium is left behind. C says HCl is the limiting reagent, and D says none of these. So basically in this question we have to find out the stoichiometry and the limiting reagent. So basically this is the question from the first chapter of class 11th, and we will be using the concept of stoichiometry. So let us first write down the equation for this. So we know Mg, that is magnesium, which is dropped in HCl, hydrochloric acid, to produce what? So we know that when a metal react with acid, it produces its salt, that is MgCl2, plus it will produce hydrogen gas, right? So hydrogen gas is produced. Now the second step is to balance it, right? Then only we will get to know how many moles of each of them are reacting, right? So magnesium is balanced, HCl, no, it is not balanced. We have 2 hydrogen here and 2 chlorine here, so we will just put 2 over here. It is now balanced. So from this equation we get to know that 1 mole of Mg reacts with 2 mole of HCl to give 1 mole of MgCl2 and 1 mole of H2. So this is the standard situation we have. Now in the question it says that magnesium is 2.4 gram, right? So we can find out the number of moles from this, right? And how to find out number of moles? Do you know? Number of moles can be calculated as given mass by molar mass, correct? So given mass by molar mass, which is equals to what? So given mass is 2.4 as it is written, and in the question it is given that the molar mass is 24. So it's very easy, it's 0.1 mole, right? So 0.1 mole is reacting. So we will write what was given to us is 0.1 mole Mg. So just look at the equation. 1 mole of magnesium is reacting with 2 moles of HCl. So here 0.1 mole will react with obviously 0.2 mole of HCl, which will produce of course 0.1 mole of MgCl2 and 0.1 mole of H2. But is this thing is correct? This we will only get to know when we will know the limiting reagent, right? So we got to know that magnesium is 0.1 mole. Then let us calculate it for HCl also, right? So how much HCl we have? So if you see in HCl it is given that it is 0.1, I'm sorry, it's 1 molar HCl, which is 100 ml. So 100 into 1 molar, and we know that 1 molar means 1 mole of HCl in 1000 ml of solution. This means 1 molar and this is 100 ml. So when you calculate it, it will come as 0.1 mole. So HCl is 0.1 mole. So therefore if you see, we have HCl as 0.1 mole. So for 0.1 mole of magnesium, we will require 0.2 mole of HCl, but we only have 0.1 mole of HCl. It means that the HCl is the limiting reagent. It will stop the reaction, and for 0.1 mole, we will be requiring 0.05 mole of magnesium. Just do the cross multiplication, you will get the answer. Here also we will get 0.05 moles of MgCl2 and 0.05 mole of H2. So this is the data which we are getting from the given information in the question, right? So we will write here. So if you look at the option number C says that HCl is the limiting reagent, which is true. Yes, HCl is limiting reagent, right? Limiting reagent. Okay, so we have to find out the wrong answer. So C is definitely not our answer. Okay, let's move ahead with the other options. Okay, so let us find out. We got the limiting reagent and then we have to calculate the hydrogen which is produced at STP. So hydrogen we know it is 0.05 mole. So remember that we are solving it for A now. We are checking whether A is correct or not. So here we have 1 mole HCl, sorry 1 mole H2, it is equals to 22.4 liter at STP. It is according to the mole concept, right? And now we have 0.05 moles. So for 0.05 mole of H2, how much volume will be there, right? So we will just do the cross multiplication. 0.05 into 22.4 divided by 1. We will get the value over here as 1.12 liter of H2. So yes, our option A is also correct. So C is correct, A is correct. Let's check for B now. Okay, B says that 0.01 mole of magnesium is left behind. Is it? So let us calculate for it, right? So I will just do it here. Okay, so A is done, C is done. Now we are doing for B. So in B it says that 0.01 mole of magnesium is left behind. We had 0.1 mole initially, we have calculated here, and how much is consumed? 0.05. So minus 0.05 mole is consumed. So how much we are left with? So we will get 0.05 mole will be left behind. 0.05 mole of magnesium is left behind, but option number B says that 0.01 mole is left behind. So yes, B is the answer. So in this question our answer is B, and D is of course not the answer. So I hope this has answered your question. Thank you.